Hello everyone, my name is Vaibhav and this is a screencast for the Devops Homework 1. So as a part of the homework, we are supposed to configure and provision servers on two different service providers. I'm going to be doing it on AWS and DigitalOcean. Also, we have to write an Ansible playbook which can install the Nginx servers on both these instances. So let me just initially show you that currently, as you can see, that there are no droplets here on the DigitalOcean page. This one is a previous one which could not be created, so that's a stale one. Similar thing here, we can see that on the EC2 console all these are terminated ones and there is no running instance which you can see. So I'll just go ahead and show you the contents of this directory. As you can see, I'll go inside DigitalOcean and you can see a package.json in here which has the required dependencies for running the JS file. I'll go ahead and run the npm install, but nothing much happens because I already have those dependencies. But if someone else wants to download the repo and run the JS file, he'll have to, or he or she will have to install the dependencies. So I'll just go ahead and run the droplet file so as to create the droplet. So if I go on DigitalOcean and see, there should be a new droplet which should have been initialized, and as you can see the droplet is being created. Let's just wait till it gets completely created, and as you can see there is a droplet which has come up, and we can also get the IP address for the same. So since it takes some time, I'd set a small timeout so that we can fetch the IP address. Now we'll do the same thing with Amazon Web Services. I'll just go ahead and run the file for creating the instance on Amazon Web Services. So if I go and refresh the EC2 console, I should be able to see Amazon Web Services instance, EC2 instance here on AWS, and as you can see there is an EC2 instance which popped up, and again a small timeout so that I can fetch the IP address for the same. Now I'll go ahead and I'll just show you the inventory file. So as you can see, all the necessary information for both DigitalOcean and AWS has been logged in the inventory file, which will be required by Ansible. I'll just go ahead and try and ping both the servers now by running this command. So just asking me the authenticity of the host, I'll just go ahead and say yes. So we should get a successful reply if both the servers are up and running properly. And as you can see, we have received a success notification in both the cases. So we are now good to go ahead and run our Ansible playbook on we're good to go ahead and run the Ansible playbook now. So I'll just go ahead and type in this command. I think I'm missing an I here. Okay, and I run this. So now it's installing the Nginx server on the DigitalOcean instance. So it has successfully installed it there. Now it's doing the same thing for the AWS instance. So it seems that the Nginx server has been successfully installed on both the instances. We can just go ahead and type in the IP addresses in the browser to just confirm that they have indeed been installed successfully. So this is for DigitalOcean, I suppose, and you can see that the Nginx server is present or successfully installed. Just go ahead and check for AWS as well. So there you can see that we could successfully provision the Droplet and the EC2 instance on DigitalOcean and AWS respectively. Also using the Ansible playbook, we were able to install the Nginx server on both these instances. So that's all from the screencast. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot.